So to begin, I have my boneless chicken here, which I've already cut into cubes. And then I'm using fettuccine pasta from Kroger. And then I am using Ragu's classic Alfredo sauce. You can make your own Alfredo sauce, but I'm using a store-bought sauce to save time. And then I'm using ground oregano powder, and I'm using black pepper with salt to season my chicken. So as you can see, I've already boiled my pasta here, so I can get started on the chicken. I have my oil on medium heat, so now I'm all ready to cook chicken. I have seasoned my chicken with salt, pepper, and oregano as mentioned before. And then I mix it up and let it cook. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes to cook. Really just depends on the amount of chicken you're cooking. So as you can see, my chicken is all golden, all good, all ready to be put aside so I can start working on my sauce. So I add my sauce to my pan, and once it's warm enough, I add my oregano powder, my pasta, and my cooked chicken to it, and then I mix it well. So as you can see, my pasta is mixed well and all ready to be served. I personally don't like it as creamy, but if you do, we can add more sauce to it. So your pasta is ready to be served. It is served, and I added some mint leaves for more flavor. Thank you so much for watching.